Check. Hello, my fellow mathematician. Welcome to another edition of Solving Mathematics with your one and only Excel. As usual, like, share, and comment. Without wasting much time, I have a question on the board in which we want us to look into speedily and get to the answer. On the board, you have PT is a tangent to the circle at T. If angle ABT is 35 degrees and angle CTP is 42 degrees, find ATC, angle ATC. Now look at your drawing on the board. You should look for angle ATC, which is this angle over here. But in order to arrive at the answer immediately without wasting your time, we need to look for this angle first. First of all, we need to look for this remaining angle here, because if you look at it, if we can be able to get this angle, because one of the angles already is being given, if we can be able to get the second angle, we add it together to get this one. Now if you watch, angle ABT is given. ABT is 35 degrees. So if we can be able to get angle TBC, you add it both angles together. When you sum both angles together, we can easily get our ATC. Now the question is, how do we get our angle TBC? Very simple. Now we said that if you watch, there's 42 here, alternate segment. We said that angle TBC is equal to 42, alternate segment. The angle here is alternate to this one outside. You've said it now. So we say angle TBC. We said solution, angle TBC is equal to 42 degrees. Why? Alternate segment. You've seen it. Alternate segment, TBC. So to get this angle, you've gotten the angle here, and we call the angle 42 degrees because it's alternate to this 42 outside. It's alternate. So we call here 42. So angle TBC is 42 degrees. Alternate segment. Now, having gotten this angle now as our 42, now what should we do? We sum it up together. When you sum the angles here together to get the whole angle, we cannot be able to get our ATC. Now, how do we sum it together? To sum it up together, you say angle ABC is equal to 35 degrees plus 42 degrees, giving us 77 degrees. So our total angle of this side now, of B now, is 77 degrees. ABC, 77 degrees. Now with the help of this 77 degrees we've arrived here, we'll be able to get ATC. Now, how do we get our ATC? So you say ATC, angle ATC is equal to 180 minus the 77 degrees, which gives us 103 degrees. What should be the quote? Opposite angle of cyclic chord is supplementary. You see it now? We've gotten ATC. How did we get ATC? We said that the opposite angle, according to the law of cyclic theory, opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary, which is 180. So here is 90, here is 90. Adding it together, since they are supplementary, they are opposite each other and they are supplementary, it will give us 180 degrees. So since we've gotten here, which is 77 degrees, you subtract it from 180 because they are supplementary. The opposite angle are supplementary according to the law of cyclic theory. They are supplementary. So 180 minus the 77 degrees you get when you add this together will give us 103 degrees. So our ATC is 103 degrees. Thank you.